back, and I did another video. It was longer, but it actually reset.
Okay, so
So,
I'm back. And
I'm gonna put a camera right here, and then, or no, I'm just gonna vlog it. And so there you go. There's his. He's right there. Oh no, he's right there.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Sorry if the zoom in is bad. But
So I'm gonna be behind here, guys, and I'm about to throw it.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Now, guys, it went to right here. Yeah. So, wait. So you stay right here. You stay right here. Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties a little bit. I'm gonna come back. What's up, guys? We're back, and I'm about to throw mine. 3, 2, 1. Sorry if the camera angle is bad. Throw it. No! 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 Why? Why? Okay. Leave. Mine, seriously, went right here. His was over there. Oh my goodness. Why? Why? Why?
I'm not gonna make a video on this. I can't.
Oh, but when I throw it right here, it goes farther. I don't get that.
Send it.
I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. I lost the challenge. I always hate losing challenges, so we're gonna throw it. And mine went over there. It's where he is. So,
I got any shoes. Yeah!
That almost went in that person's yard. And trust me, that person doesn't care, so.
Yeah, he never comes out.
Yeah.
I've seen him once since I've moved here, and I've been here for like 2 months.
Yeah.
No, 3 months.
Now, so, I don't know what's wrong with that guy or gal. Do that, whatever. I'm gonna throw it again, left hand. Went right there, where he is at.
Throw it again, right hand.
Yeah. Wait, can I have a Doria?
No.
No. Ah, gotcha. I am going to destroy you. Ah, that was crazy, people. Wow. So, that was kind of a quick exhibition of that kind of stuff. Watch, I'm gonna throw it right now. It's gonna land. Oh, and then I just want one.
No, have the whole bag.
Got Doritos.
Want one?
That's right, bro.
You want to do basketball? You want to do like a walk? Can we walk up to the park down there? Down at the end of the road? We walk up there and just take that street down. It's not that far. We walked it for 5 minutes.
So
We'll be back there.
I might make another video, y'all. So I'm actually gonna cut here. See ya. Bye, guys.